Hey there! Today I'm showing you how to get TiviMate running on your Firestick in 2025, and this is seriously the tutorial you've all been waiting for. Many of my IPTV clients were asking me about that tutorial. TiviMate has completely taken over as the #1 IPTV player for anyone who's serious about their streaming setup, and I'm about to break down exactly how to get it on your Firestick device step by step. Here's the deal. TiviMate isn't sitting there waiting for you in the Amazon App Store, which is exactly why so many people get stuck trying to find it. But once you see how simple this actually is, you're going to wonder why you waited so long. This app has absolutely dominated the IPTV scene, and after you start using it, every other IPTV player is going to feel like a downgrade. Just before we start the tutorial, TiviMate doesn't provide content or anything, which means if you need TV channels and movies, you will need to buy an IPTV subscription and TiviMate will run it. Think of TiviMate as the player and your IPTV service as the content source. They work together to give you the complete streaming experience. If you don't have an IPTV subscription yet, you can check out Optic TV through the link in the first comment. Optic TV offers thousands of worldwide premium channels, movies, and TV shows that work perfectly with TiviMate. But for now, let's focus on getting TiviMate installed so you'll be ready to go once you have your IPTV service sorted out. Alright, let's dive into getting this app installed. You're going to need to jailbreak your Firestick. Don't worry, no need to be a tech whiz or anything. All you need to do is go into Settings, then go to My Fire TV, then About, and press My Fire TV multiple times until you see a message telling you you are now a developer. If you faced any problem, watch the video where I showed how to jailbreak Firestick step by step. Link is in description. Now grab the Downloader app if it's not already on your device. Jump into the Amazon App Store, search for Downloader, you're looking for the one with the orange and white icon, and get that installed. This little tool is your gateway to downloading APK files straight to your Firestick, so it's absolutely essential for what we're doing here. Now you need to enable installation from unknown sources first. Head over to Settings, then hit My Fire TV or Device, depends on what generation Firestick you're rocking. Look for Developer Options and flip on Apps from Unknown Sources. Yeah, your device is going to throw you a warning, but we're good here. Everything we're doing is completely legitimate. Now go back and open Downloader app. You'll see that clean interface with the URL bar front and center. Type that code 250931 and hit Go. After that, scroll down and search for TiviMate. Hit Download and hit Install when it asks. Give it about 30 seconds and boom, TiviMate is loaded on your Firestick. IPTV setup is super straightforward on TiviMate. Enter in your IPTV service using M3U playlist URLs or Extreme Code's login info. Premium providers like Optic TV hook you up with both options, so you can choose whatever works best for your setup. Just a quick reminder, TiviMate is not free at all. You will need to pay for the premium plan to use their app. Check out our channel for more IPTV player suggestions and Firestick tutorials. Going premium also unlocks unlimited playlists, so you can run multiple IPTV services simultaneously if that's your thing. The upgrade price is totally reasonable. We're talking about a one-time payment that's less than what most IPTV players charge monthly. At the end, TiviMate earned its spot as the top IPTV player for all the right reasons. It's rock solid, packed with features, and purpose-built for IPTV. Getting it on your Firestick is a quick process, but once you've got it dialed in with a quality service, you're running a professional streaming setup that's going to blow your mind. Visit our website to get your IPTV and join thousands of our clients using our service. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.